going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shannon with Main Street and Beyond Travel Company, your destination for all things travel, Disney, cruising, Europe itineraries, everything. We plan it all. But today we are back and we're bringing you another resort tour, and we have not stayed here recently because it's been closed for a while at Disney, and we are currently at All-Star Music Resort. So we're super excited to show you guys everything going on here at All-Star Music. All-Star Music is a great value option because, similar to Art of Animation, it does offer family suites that hold up to 6 people. Now, we aren't in a family suite today, we're just in one of their standard rooms, so we're going to show you guys that. But do keep in mind that they do have family suites, so if that's something you want to book with us, we can definitely help you get that all set. So I'm really excited. If you're new here, be sure to like and subscribe because we bring you tons of videos all the time regarding travel. And let's show you guys the room. Oh, these rooms are updated. Nice. I'm excited. Let me show you guys this. Awesome. Welcome inside your standard room here at the All-Star Music. Similar to All-Star Movies, these rooms are updated. I actually didn't know that. Maybe some of them are, some of them aren't. But we do have a nice pull-down bed. Another double bed over here. Plenty of storage here. Let me go ahead and show you all here. I do want to point out you have a mini fridge but no microwave. Microwaves are available on a first come first serve basis, so you can check with check-in if they have any for the room if you should need some. Let's look in here. Nice little drawer space should you need it. A coffee maker with some Joffrey's 50th anniversary blend coffee. That's amazing. I love that. Ice bucket if you guys need it, and another empty shelf up there. Let's go ahead and turn back this way towards the door. You have some outlets, USB ports, which are amazing. Always really nice to have. Little cubby area for anything you need. Like I said, again, you do have this pull down trundle bed here. Table by day, bed by night. All right, I'm gonna flip back around and show you our wonderful TV with, of course, Resort TV on, which I'm so excited for. I love having this on. Just always have this on in your room. That's kind of a standard rule when you come to Disney. This is all you're allowed to watch, everybody. This is it. Oh, look, they tell you how you can get your virtual queue for Remy's, which is really nice. So there's actually tons of really useful information on this channel. So honestly, I do keep it on here a lot. But plenty and plenty of more storage space. You have a safe in here. Plenty of room to put some more clothes. You've got drawers. Pretty nice. They show you how they are doing enhanced cleaning right now because of COVID. You have your remote and your take-along guide to all the magic. Look at this. How amazing is that? Honestly, it's so great when you guys first get in your room. Just kind of take a look over this. It's so handy, full of information. What I love about these new rooms is you do have such a large area here to store some of your luggage. As you can see, some of ours is piled up there right now. As I do the resort tour, or the room tour, you do have some hangers. You want to put your purse, coats, ponchos, rain jackets, anything you should like. Hello. We're going to walk into the bathroom where you have some closet space here. Hang stuff up that you need, an ironing board, hairdresser, just so much storage, which is really nice and so great for families coming in here. So incredibly great for families coming in here. And of course you do have a separate area with your toilet and shower. I do like that they're separate because if you're here with 4 people with a family, you know, somebody can be out here brushing their teeth while somebody else is in the shower getting ready for the day. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how easy it is to make this table into a bed. I'm gonna slide the chairs out of the way for now because I do want to put it back together as a table because I'm gonna be working from it. So easy. You just pull it down. And, oops, and you can see they've got Huey, Dewey, and Louie. Now they put all the pillows on that bed, so we just take them from that bed and put it over here. And then when I want to put it back up, you just simply, why do I keep doing that in today's vlog? There we go. Easy as that. Ah, my official bed test. This is nice. There's so many pillows in my face. Alright, I want to show you guys the rest of the resort. So we are in the Broadway section of the resort. We are in building 8. I'll show you guys a full map closer towards the lobby. We're in just a standard room, so we're pretty far back towards the back side of the resort, but that means we get our own pool, which I'm gonna go show you guys. I still cannot get over how empty it is here at All Star Music. It is so nice. I love it. Oh look, we're on Broadway Street. All right, we are coming up onto the piano pool, which serves our building, some buildings over there, and these buildings over here at All Star Music. Looks like we have the jazz buildings. Got some music notes on the ground walking up to the piano pool. Oh, such a beautiful day out. It is a little chilly. That's probably why the pools aren't that crowded. Great day for the parks, so. Look at that pool. Oh, there's a little mermaid statue over there. Actually, I didn't realize how close to the lobby we really are. Like right up there's the lobby, and we only came from right over here. So that's probably only, I would say, maybe a 2-3 minute walk at absolute most. So let's go check out the lobby. Cool little rock and roll section over here. You got guitars, jukebox. Mom, help me. I'm a millennial. Is that an 8-track tape? Maybe? Cassette player? I don't know. I'll ask my mom. Okay, I just confirmed with my mom. What are those?
Speakers.
Oh, they're speakers. I don't know how. I completely did not see that. That's so funny. Now, as we are doing this resort tour and showing you some of the different buildings you can stay in, please let us know. As your travel agents, we're able to request certain buildings for you or certain views, so let us know within the one that you book. So if you book preferred room, you need to be in the preferred buildings, or standard room, you need to be in the standard buildings, but I can put you in the building that you like based on those. So just let us know, shoot us over an email, and we'll get you where you want to go. Okay, so I want to show you guys the bus area here at All Star Music is at the very front of the resort, right by the main lobby. There is only one bus stop, so if you are in one of those further away standard rooms, you are going to have to walk here. Or if you want to book a preferred room, you're going to be closer to the bus stops and lobbies, which is really nice. And there is a bus pulling in right now. Okay, so we have made our way back to the main lobby of All Star Music, and I want to show you this Meister Mickey's. This is the gift shop here. So adorable. It's right by the check-in area. That is over here. So you can check in, you can go to the gift store. I do want to point out, they do have luggage storage if your room isn't ready yet, but luckily our room is ready and it is noon, so that is actually very nice because we just stayed at Universal the other night and we had to wait till 5 to get our room. So it's nice that we can already relax in our room, which you guys already saw a room tour of, so you knew that. Also located within the main lobby is the intermission food court, which is right behind me. We'll have dinner here tonight, or maybe lunch, I don't know, but that way we can show you guys the food court and how that works. I'm also going to go ahead and flip around the camera and show you guys the arcade, which is really fun. I liked coming to the arcades here at Disney when I was a kid. Okay, let's go ahead and head outside the main lobby, and this is where you are going to find the main pool area. Also, as soon as you walk out, if you look to your left, you are going to find a little pool bar so you guys can grab some drinks. This is an overall map of the resort here. You can see Melody Hall, that's the main lobby area. We're by this main pool here. It is called the Calypso Pool. And then of course you have all of your different buildings. So we are actually in building 8, which is a standard room. We're not in preferred. If we were in preferred, we would be over here closer to the main lobby. But just so you guys know, standard rooms are going to be the outer buildings there, and you're gonna have to walk all the way back to the bus stop here. Not too bad, but just keep that in mind in case that makes you want to book a preferred room over a standard view with me. One thing I love already about this resort is it is so nice and quiet here. Maybe everybody's at the parks or something right now because it's noon over Christmas, so I'm sure people are enjoying the parks, but the pool is quiet, the lobby is quiet, there's nobody at the pool bar. This is just really nice so far. You can also access the intermission food court from outside, and I do want to let you guys know they are, of course, doing their mobile ordering. So be sure to order ahead on your mobile app. You just come over here and pick it up, and we'll show you guys how that works later when we decide to come and eat here. All right, to take a break from our tour, we did decide to go ahead and grab a drink from the bar. I just grabbed a Yingling lager on draft, and my mom got the Pina Colada. All right, we are sitting here enjoying our drinks, and like I've said, it is just an absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous day, and the resort is nice and quiet. I just love this so far. I'm really excited. All right, after touring the lobby, we made our way back to the piano pool. I dipped my feet in. Oh my goodness, guys, it is so warm. It's a little chilly outside. But just a reminder, we are towards the end of December. Disney does keep their pools heated in the winter time so that you guys can enjoy the pools and swim. It feels really good. I might go get my swimsuit on and even just get back in the water myself because it was really nice. All right, so since it's getting later into the night, not really, it's like 5, but still, we're going to go ahead and order a pizza from the food court, but I'm gonna do it mobile order. And then we're gonna start our walk up to the main lobby and just pick it up and then come back here and have some pizza. Love the pizzas at the All-Star resorts and all the value resorts because they're great for a family to share. I wanted to show you guys, they are doing s'mores here by the pool. All right, our pizza has been acquired. Look at that, I love that. Definitely good looking pizza there. I'm excited to dig in. Good morning everyone from All Star Music. Our pizza last night was very delicious and plenty. That is such a great deal for a family coming here and to get some pizza at night. Slept really well. Beds are super comfy. I always have people worried about these like pull down Murphy beds. I have never once had an issue with them being uncomfortable. They're just like these beds. They just have the mattress on top. So it's the same thing. Sleeping on these versus anywhere else. Super, super comfy. Their pillows are comfy. Love it. We had a great time at All Star Music. Honestly, a lot better than I was expecting. I was expecting heavy, heavy crowds, loud people everywhere. It wasn't like that at all. And it's 2 days to Christmas, which is so nice. The resort was so quiet. Hardly anybody here. The buses were packed going to the parks, but nobody was here. Everybody's going out to the parks. So it was nice and quiet. We didn't hear any noise throughout the night. It's just been a wonderful, wonderful stay here at All Star Music. Oh, that was super nice. They just came to the room checking that we were good. If we needed anything for this morning, like towels, toiletries, anything. So again, super, super great stay here at All Star Music. Highly recommend it. If you're new here, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, drop a like. We'll do more resort tour videos, food review videos, cruising, all types of travel. We do it all here at Main Street and beyond. And until next time, guys, stay magical.